我是一只花美鸟，花美鸟，关在鸟笼里，要飞不了。谢谢。
Kalau pesor betul ayak sampai sini, air laut.
Duduk kayu cepat. Hari 300 macam boleh buat.
Represent your group. Okay, after you, young man. All the steam? Yes. Oh, very good. You can be my supervisor. Good. 85.5. Huh? 85.5. Oh, very good. Mister, he said 85.5. Very good. Yes, thank you. You learn, you come here also learn. Okay. Is it steam? Yes, all the water vapor. Yes, young man.
Why you smell that way, yeah?
You smell how many degree?
85.3.
85.3. All good. So with the temperature, 24 days no more steam. Look at the second one. Less steam already, is that? When it is no steam, my supervisor smell again dry. It's already dry. That means the water in the wood is already drained, already finished. It becomes charcoal. Then we close. But it's so hot, we have to wait for another 8 days of cooling. The steam that comes out, we collect into a bottle. It has become our wood vinegar. We spray onto our hands. No mosquitoes will bite you. If you got burn in your hand, quickly rub onto it and it will take away the smell. If we have dry skin, mu chu, okay? This is mu chu, very nice. It clears your bacteria, all your fungus. You can get from my girl there over there, the red shirt girl. It's only 5 ringgit. You cannot get in KL, very useful. This is all started making charcoal, all started by the Japanese. There is a Japanese company. Alright. This is the mangrove wood. Very heavy wood. They can't carry. The company is known as Sanjing. This company started making charcoal here during the Second World War. Without the Japanese, we will never know how to make charcoal. In Kuala Sepetang, this area, we have 40,000 hectares of mangrove swamp. Just now you all came in, all mangrove trees, no. And I have been working here for the past 36 years. This factory is already 70 years. Many friends told me, Mr. Chua, 你是好像一只画眉鸟 You are just like a bird in a cage. 我是一只画眉鸟，画眉鸟，关在鸟笼里，要飞不了。谢谢。Thank you. Okay, we are going to see now the close one. Okay, please follow me. This one, less steam coming already. That means it's going to become charcoal now. I see my money already. After all the hard work. Then, Nathan, the steam goes up. Can you see?
Yeah.
In the drum. Alright. The steam goes up. Drip back. The steam. It drip back. This is the wood vinegar. All fresh from the charcoal kiln. Nothing added. Nothing added. So you go there afterward, you see the red label. Okay? Please help me with some of this. Very useful when you are in need. Alright? Please come and see what is closed.
Dan satu lagi operasi mat kayu ni. Dia ada pasang sorot, ada air pasang, ada air tak pasang. Air pasang dia dah. Sekarang ni air pasang juga tapi air tak dalam. Dia operasi kami air pasang besar. Kalau besar betul ayak sampai sini, air laut. Tebang yang bawa kayu orang lain.
Okey, bawa kayu orang lain. Bawa, lepas tu punggah dia letak kat sini.
Dia punggah situ dulu.
Punggah kat luar.
Dia bawa dia punggah situ. Dia bagian
lepas tu
macam contoh bagian saya lah. Sini.
Yang kulit kena buang dulu.
Lepas tu bahagian pacak.
Ini kayu bakar untuk piling rumah. Oh, dia saiz kecil sikit kan? Ini saiz kecil.
Makcik dulu sodok kayu, keluar harang. Masa keluar sodok kayu dulu, RM6 sebatang.
Oh, dia bayar gaji
RM6 sebatang.
dia ikut batang kan? Sebatang RM6. Daripada umur?
Daripada umur 12
tahun kan? 12 tahun dah mula kerja dah?
Tak ikut kerja. Ikut abah kan. Dia ikut dia lah buat kerja. Dah lama sikit tu baru kerja keluar harang apa. Keluar harang masa gaji RM9.
RM9?
Satu dapur.
Oh. Satu dapur tu boleh makan masa berapa lama?
Keluar lah. Tapi keluar 3 orang. Mau 2 hari ya.
2 hari.
Baru sebiji dapur.
Kilang ni dah daripada zaman Jepun
Kilang ni lama dah. Kira dulu hutan tak apa biji. Dulu dapur sini. Dapur. Belum sana. Dapur operasi. Dulu. Tak banyak biji. Depan macam tu.
Makcik siapa nama?
Jamila.
Jamila. Jamila binti
Din.
Jamila binti Din.
Abah pun sodok kayu keluar. Ya.
Sekarang umur apa?
No, 59.
59.
Kira 50 lah makcik
Berhenti bekerja 50.
Sodok kayu cepat. Sehari 300 macam boleh buat.
Sehari 300 batang. Sehari 300 batang. Satu batang dia bagi 9 sen.
6 duit.
6 duit dulu lah.
Anak kecil 2 orang yang perempuan.